Can you really make over $100 a day in just 7 minutes using nothing but your phone with no selling, no crypto, no calls, and supposedly no effort at all? That's the headline-grabbing promise behind the automatic cash machine, a system that claims you can just tap your phone and watch money flow into your account even while you're asleep. But as appealing as it sounds, this pitch feels a little too perfect, and when you dig deeper, the cracks begin to show. The website is packed with hype-filled language and emotional marketing, but offers very little in terms of real information or proof. There's no clear explanation of what the system actually is, how it works, or even what you'll be doing to earn money. You're simply told that for a one-time payment of $47, you'll unlock the secret to financial freedom with zero risk and near-instant results. But ask yourself, if someone really had a foolproof method to make hundreds daily with no work, why would they sell it for less than the price of a dinner? Where are the verifiable testimonials, the transparent breakdowns, or the real user reviews from people who have seen long-term success? Instead, you're met with generic success stories, exaggerated income claims, and a heavy dose of urgency meant to push you into buying without thinking twice. While it's not fair to call it an outright scam without hard evidence, it's also difficult to call it legit when so many red flags are present. The lack of transparency, the unrealistic promises, and the pressure to pay before you understand what you're getting into all point to something that might leave you disappointed, or worse, out of pocket. So before you fall for the dream of easy money, ask yourself, are you buying a system or just another illusion packaged as a miracle?